Hey there, welcome to you in my new website building tutorials, and here we are going to start creating professional website using the best professional website builder that's called Duda. So hope you all enjoy these tutorials and follow all the video of this playlist, and here we are going to share easy and step-by-step guideline to create your website using this professional website builder. Also, we'll try to share the simple, minimum and complex problem solution of Duda website builder users so that you can create your website without any hassle or without any problem. So if you want to create your website with professional website builder, and of course you want to create your website using the best website builder than WordPress or Shopify, then you should use Duda. And here I have created a playlist so that you can follow all the video and you can learn everything very easily by yourself and create your website, run your business fully automate without hiring any website designer or developer. Okay, but after watch this video, if you think that you need any support relevant to your website, like make website more professional, fix any issue that you cannot cover, or make your business fully automate, then you can contact with me. Here I am going to share my email, WhatsApp number, also my Facebook link so that you can connect with me. So okay, let's back to the main topics, and today is the first tutorials of Duda website builder, and I think I should share I have to introduce Duda with you. So what is Duda? Duda is professional website builder that is best than any other top level website builder. And here you can see on my screen that I am on the duda.co website, and this website link is duda.co. and first let me share basic info about this platform or website builder, then I will share the more things about this website builder. Okay, we already know that Duda is professional website builder. Now you have the question, how many people are using Duda website builder? Okay, that is the good question, and here is the answer of the official website, trusted by over 20,000 agency, not individual people. Every agency serving a lot of people or company to create their website. So that's mean 20,000 agency means a lot of people are using Duda. And here is very impressive information that every 70 seconds a new website is created on Duda. So I hope you will be surprised after hear that. So hope you are now very clear about Duda power and what's going on in future, as every 70 seconds a new website is created on Duda. Okay, now we are going to scroll down and check more about this website. In footer section they have shared the all details information about Duda website. For example, their platform, key featured, solution, compare with others, about them, support, resource, everything. Okay, now our question is Duda free or paid? Okay, let's check the plan. So I'm going to click on the plans and grow faster with Duda. Try for free for 14 days, no credit card required. So that's awesome. So you understand that you can try Duda for 14 days and you no need any credit card for that. Okay, and here is the pricing. I'm not going to describe all the details about the pricing plan like basic, team, agency, white label. Just I'm going to share the basic info. For example, if you purchase the basic plan, then you have to pay $14 per month, for team $22, for agency $44, and white label you have to talk with them for custom offer. And here is the FAQ that will help you to know more about Duda, and that will explain or give you the clear answer about your basic common question like others, new user or newcomer. So I hope you understand about this Duda. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any help relevant Duda or about your website or your website marketing, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.